kore au cry roll. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Kore kaba kore au cry roll.
Geographically, MAUBISSE is an administrative post located in the central part of Timor-Leste, belonging to the municipality of Ainaru. The administrative post directly borders the eastern part with Turiscai Manufahi, northern part with Same and Ainaru, the southern part with Letefoho Ermera, and Aileu in the north. The total population of MAUBISSE administrative post is 31,646, composed of 15,646 men and 16,086 women, across 6,436 households. The word MAUBISSE originates from the Mambai language, composed of two words, Mau and Bessi. According to history, the ancestors called this land MAUBISSE, meaning Mau, man, Bessi, strong. So MAUBISSE means a strong man. The administrative post covers an area of 260.97 kilometers squared and composed of 9 villages: Aitutu, Edi, Fatubesi, Horaikik, Liurai, Menelobas, Manetu, MAUBISSE, Maulao. These villages are further divided into 62 hamlets. MAUBISSE is blessed with enchanting natural beauty, mostly mountainous landscapes, and the main local language spoken is Mambai. MAUBISSE is rich in natural landscapes and tourist attractions, both domestic and international. Among the key attractions are Mount Rabilao, Mount Edilao, Flecha, MAUBISSE Posada, and other natural and historical sites within MAUBISSE. One notable site is Rabilao, a beautiful mountain spot that attracts many visitors. Located on a high hill, it offers panoramic views of MAUBISSE's mountains and landscapes. In 2024, the President of the Republic held the Rabilao Cultural Festival here to promote the tourist destination. At the foot of Rabilao Mountain stands the statue of the Virgin Mary, where people can gather for prayer and devotion. Another historical site is Posada MAUBISSE, which attracts visitors to explore its surrounding landscape. The posada was built during the Portuguese colonial administration in 1942. Historically, before the posada was established, there were 6 traditional houses on the site. Later, through an agreement between the Portuguese and local people, these traditional houses were relocated, and the posada was built in 1983. Today, the posada is managed by a MAUBISSE native, along with 5 employees, under the direct supervision of the Ministry of Tourism and Environment. The majority of MAUBISSE's population lives as farmers, mainly practicing horticulture. Crops include a variety of vegetables and fruits, but coffee stands out as a signature product of MAUBISSE. These products are essential in supporting household income and education for children. MAUBISSE has complete educational system up to secondary level. Currently, there are 49 schools consisting of 26 basic education schools, 7 complete basic education schools, 13 primary schools, 2 technical vocational secondary schools, and 1 Catholic general secondary school. The 2 technical vocational secondary schools are located in Maulao and Horaikik. The technical vocational secondary school in Horaikik was established in 2016 with a strong focus on agriculture, such as cultivating MAUBISSE's unique crops. In terms of health service, MAUBISSE has 6 health posts, 2 treatment posts built through the PNDS program, and 2 community health centers. These facilities are distributed across several villages in the administrative post. The basic infrastructure in the 9 villages of MAUBISSE is partly developed, while some are still under construction, through the National Village Development Program. The climate in MAUBISSE is similar to most parts of Timor-Leste. It is divided into two main seasons: dry seasons from July to September and rainy seasons from November to June. Acompaña notícia atual no credível. Cataluha like, subscribe, no share, website www.tatoli.tl, página Facebook Antil, no YouTube Tatoli IP.